I bought these mufflers on eBay. They're Italian. I was told they're handmade. They have a patent and a part number here. Patented. Made in Italy. Part number XTM0055. I have a feeling they sound awesome because they look like a trumpet that's been flattened and then tapers back down into 2 1/4. Look inside. See if I can turn my light on. Boop. They're straight through in there. But look at the baffling. What strange baffling. Yeah, look at that. They're like ridges. And then on the other side, it's got holes. And the ridges appear to be like, maybe they're fins or something? I can't really see in there. I'm assuming the sound goes out this way and straight through and reverberates and does all of its things inside there. Anyways, I think I'm going to set them up underneath the original muffler position. Down here, there's a lot of room under here for exhaust. I'll probably cut this stupid wheel well out and just put a flat panel in the trunk because I don't have a spare that sits in that hole. And this long little area is going to give me some extra pipe to put my tips on. You see my old exhaust, the muffler's way back there, and it's got extra pipe here. I think these are 2 1/4. Yeah, I think those are 2 1/4 tips, and I think these are 2 1/2s. These are a little bigger. Yeah, they almost fit over it. See if I can get the general idea here. Yeah, something like that. I'll get 2 little short pieces of stainless pipe to extend them out, have them welded up real nice and pretty. Then my whole muffler will be stainless and loud like an Alfa Romeo race car, maybe. I don't know. Can't wait to see what these sound like. I brought them inside and didn't realize they had this on the other side. It's a serial number. EPR K14E001 IT. And the other one has a serial number, the same, but it's a 2.